How sweet. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
ऐश कैसे मनाया जन्मदिन?
Firstly, I'd like to thank everybody for all your wishes. Personally, for singing so beautifully for me right now. Thank you. For messaging me. So many of you have sent your messages, you all have WhatsApped, and I've not been able to reply to everybody as yet, but thank you so much. And through you, members of the media, I'd like to thank all my well wishers for all your good wishes and blessings for my birthday. मैं अपने आपके दर्शकों को और मेरे शुभचिंतकों को यही कहना चाहूँगी कि मैं दिल से धन्यवाद देती हूँ आपकी शुभकामनाओं के लिए, आशीर्वाद के लिए और इतना सारा प्यार के लिए. थैंक यू सो मच.
आज का दिन कैसा बीता ये आपने नहीं बताया।
कैसे बीता, क्या किया?
बहुत कुछ हो चुका होगा आज
नहीं,
आराध्या की गिफ्ट पूरा होगा।
of course. Well, obviously, I've spent my day with my family, with my loved ones, with my daughter, and my husband. Abhishek is home after really long. You all have been meeting him every day, way more often than me, with all the publicity and promotion of his movie. So it's been nice. It's been a nice family day, and sorry. You're busy shooting a selfie. Okay. And last night, all my friends and family were home and they brought in my birthday. And it was a very long night. And I haven't slept at all because early morning Aradhya wakes up and my schedule is on as every day. And so obviously I thought it would be more lovely to meet you all nicely, relaxedly in the evening, and also get the opportunity to thank everybody for all the wishes and love that's been pouring in all day. सुबह सुबह तो anticipation में आके मैं धन्यवाद देती हूँ. तो शाम को it's really for just a wonderful experience all day. Thank you so much.
ऐश आपकी उम्र बढ़ रही है, वैसे वैसे आप में और ज़्यादा निखार आ रहा है.
अच्छा.
बताना चाहेंगे खूबसूरती का राज, आपकी खूबसूरती का राज.
My God, thank you. आप लोग भी बहुत ही मतलब आप लोगों का प्यार, सभी के शुभकामनाएं, सभी का दिल से इतना सारा प्यार मेरी तरफ. I mean, obviously, I'm in a very happy space. I'm blissed out. I think that really is all about it. It's all in the eyes of the beholder. So if you all are being sweet to me, thanks. But am I feeling really good? Yes, I'm in a very, very good space. And I think with each passing day, you just you find your calm in the hectic day. Like Hali mein maine loves a director. I won't name him. Was asking for a meeting. We're in talks. So I've been trying to schedule in time for a more detailed narration. So that's when I made up this word. I said the hecticity of every day. I said I don't know if this word exists or not, but I'm going to use it very, very liberally. And that pretty much is what every day is like. But still within that, I think with each passing day, I'm getting better and better at finding my calm within all that, which I think reflects itself.
तो आप जनरली कैसे सेलिब्रेट करती हैं बर्थडे को? मंदिर जाना या किस तरह से होता है क्या?
इट्स ऐसे कोई डिफाइंड रूटीन नहीं है. आप लोगों से ज़रूर मिलती हूँ. घर वालों के साथ वक्त बिताना मेरे लिए, परिवार के साथ, मेरे करीबी दोस्तों के साथ एक ही दिन है कि जो भी जितने फ़ोन कॉल्स मैं ले पाऊँ, सभी से बात कर पाऊँ, सभी की शुभकामनाओं को रिसीव कर पाऊँ, ये मेरे लिए बहुत ही मायना रखता है. और हर साल आप लोग मुझसे यही सुनते हैं क्योंकि यही मेरी हकीकत है.
सक्सेस मिल रही है
और आज रात पार्टी भी है.
या
आपने कमेटी भी
से डबल ये मिला क्या गिफ्ट?
ओह
बनने के बाद और फुटबॉल टीम के अच्छे रहने के बाद चेन्नई का काफी अच्छा कर रही है कबड्डी
Yeah. So it's a good day. 2014, 1st November has been a wonderful day, and I think it's really sweet. Even Shah Rukh and Gauri decided to have their celebration party tonight. It's got so many meanings. I mean, it's also tomorrow Shah Rukh's birthday, and we all always joke with every passing year. I think it's like, you know, we have mine's on the first, his on the second. So I think when they have had their film together and to throw their success party tonight is all in all reason for celebration. Abhishek has received such appreciation. I can't thank you all enough for all the love and appreciation coming his way. As his wife, I'm obviously very, very pleased for him and very, very happy.
What was your reaction when you saw him shedding all his clothes for a scene?
I'm not even going to credit that with an answer. I'm sorry.
What are your thoughts on turning 41?
Sorry?
Your thoughts on turning 41?
No thoughts. I just live each day for what it is, and these are not factors that I necessarily dwell on. And this has been my answer for years to come. I think even when I was asked the same at 21, it was pretty much the same. I think I'm very, very thankful to God for such a blessed life. I mean, you all have met me since what, 18, 19? From 19 till today, 41, to still be interacting with you all with this gusto, to be living a blessed life of family, work, friends, and growing experiences. That in itself speaks volumes, and I'm thankful to God.
Any wish that you have asked for?
I never do. I never go to temples and pray or ask for ask for anything of God, and I've never been one to sit and work up wishes. I generously mean well for everybody, so those are the wishes I'd say I pray for everyone's happiness, but I've never been one to ask for anything. Yes. Oh yes. That is wonderful to discover with each passing year, because I think last year we were here and I was saying it's all about the singing, and so last year was all about the singing. That continues with more and more clarity. So that's really sweet, where she sings with full aplomb. But having said that, she was already recognizing, like we say, between October and November, there are so many birthdays. So she recognizes more and more. And yeah, she did know it's my birthday, and there were all the flowers coming in advance. So, and she also knows her birthday is coming. So, of course, yesterday at one point when there was this huge bouquet of flowers, but she responds more excitedly to the bigger bouquet of balloons that came. So she was like, and whose birthday? And whose birthday? I was like, you tell me. So for a second, she looked at the balloon. She said, balloons for me, but it's Mama's birthday. So it was like really adorable. She recognized it. It's really sweet. आज भी उसी में व्यस्त थी मैं. I mean, automatically you start thinking and planning, because like I joked, I said last year I did the big birthday party. Before that, for the first birthday party for Aradhya, we kept it intimate. I was very clear that it's just with the family and with the grandparents, because when a baby turns 1, I mean, it's, I think, wonderful to just recognize your relationships and spend time. Last year, it was her second birthday party, and it was huge. I invited everybody that we know and all their kids. And I joked, I said that was like her first wedding with the world. And it was really, really big. This time I'm going to keep it a mix of both, not necessarily too ostentatious, but definitely very, very intimate and a lot of fun. So I'm certainly planning her birthday on a daily basis.
Aishwarya, could you tell us something about your film?
It's not far away, and I'm working all these days, so definitely planning every
Aishwarya,
day.
could you tell us something about your film?
जज्बा को लेकर क्या जज्बा है?
Like a film with Sanjay Gupta.
Yes.
Little bit about it, please.
Yeah, this time I have something validly to talk about, because yes, the last 2 years you'll have been meeting me and I've been discussing scripts, but and I'm sure everybody who's been a mother will recognize that we don't realize time flying by us, because there's so much going on, so many milestones in the growth of your child, And I love investing my time and energy completely with Aradhya. So time has flown, and I was constantly trying to, fix in and zero in on a go ahead for starting work on film. And because I was also very busy with endorsements, you all meet me, so you all know, it's been taking up a lot of my time. But yes. Sanjay was saying December, Sanjay Gupta, but I've said Jan. I said let's start in January, let's roll, because I'd rather use this time for planning and getting it all together, and then by January we should roll. I'm very excited for Jazba. It's a very interesting team coming together, and that's going to be the first one that we're rolling with. And there are other directors also. I have okayed scripts on. I mean, it's not just in talks. Now it's an okay and a go ahead. But I did speak to them, and I think it would be more. And I was wondering whether I should announce them today. But with due respect to the directors I'm going to be working with, I shall do it with them ahead. So I don't think we should just do it all today, because I should do it with them. So today we'll talk about Sanjay Gupta's is already out there, announced. You all already know it in the media, but the other announcements I'll do it with the directors. But it's an exciting, busy year ahead, and God give me the energy. And it's going to be multitasking on another level. So.